Hey guys, welcome to Squadron TV. Well, this is the big one, at least if you're a fan of the X Plus model kits or monsters, classic monsters in general. This is Frankenstein, or rather the monster of Dr. Frankenstein. And X Plus has been doing the Universal series of monsters for quite some time now. They've done Dracula, they've most recently done Wolfman, they've done The Bride of Frankenstein, the creature from the Black Lagoon, several Universal classic monsters. And they announced Frankenstein a while back, and everybody's really been looking forward to this one. I know I have, we have here at Squadron, and finally it's coming out. They're done with it. They're being loaded up and shipped over here on containers, and we should have them perhaps by the end of June, maybe in July 2026. So you will finally be able to get this. Now let's take a look at what is in the box, but I don't have an actual box. I don't have a finalized version of this. This is just the sprues that we're taking a look at here. This is a test shot. You'll see the little disclaimer in the bottom left corner there, but this is pretty much the last test shot. They've been going back and forth, making some corrections, making it fit better and those types of things. But this is pretty much it. You'll notice the instructions a moment ago were 2 sheets. On the front side, I can only assume that when these are actually shipped to you, that the instructions will be 1 page printed on both sides. Obviously, you see the parts from the sprues that have fallen off. That won't be the case. Everything will be on the sprue trees like they're supposed to be. So little things like that will be finalized, but overall, this is it that you're seeing here. You see the clear parts sprue here. Very nice detail on his suit, on his clothes. You get 2 head options, which I think is really cool. And you get to decide, do you want him to have that kind of classic serious look, or they've got it where he's got a little some facial expression, a little grin, showing his teeth, which are molded as separate pieces. And you'll see that in the build video that's coming next, how you insert the teeth into the head before you put that together. But all in all, this is just a really, really cool model that we've all been looking forward to for quite some time. And they're finally here. So I'll let you take a look at the rest of these parts here for a moment. Oh, and there you have it. The Monster of Frankenstein by X Plus. Again, coming summer of 26. We are taking pre-orders for these right now. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll put this together and show you what it looks like built up. Thank you guys. Take it easy.